Hello, this is KG Outdoors 16, and today I will be going to the local river and seeing how many different species of fish I could catch. I'm going to be multi-species fishing today. I hope you enjoy my video. Well, I got fish number one. It's a little pumpkin seed. Oh, there it goes. Oh. Man, this is like prone to tangle here. Oh, green sunfish. This is the first time I caught one here. I catch them all the time at another place. Green sunfish. Oh, another pumpkin seed. Kind of dull colored because of the muddy water. But there we go. Holy moly. Whoa. This, holy moly, this thing is bit. I didn't even have my worm in there for a second.
What is it?
Creek chub.
Piggy?
Yeah, that's right, it's a pig. They eat everything. Oh my, what the heck? It's a creek chub. I probably sounded so angry in the video, but oh my, look at this creek chub. This is the biggest creek chub I ever caught out of here. It has spots on it though. Oh man, look at that. Oh, smallmouth. Yes, finally, the elusive smallmouth bass has taken the bait. Oh man. Look at these beautiful colors. Let's see if I can catch some more. Whoa. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my. Holy moly. This. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is a 12-inch creek chub. Oh. Oh, Smalley. Smalley. Smallmouth. I tried for an hour on a crayfish crankbait to get a smallmouth. End up catching one on a worm. This is frustrating. Oh. Whoa. New species of the day. The hybrid bluegill. Oh man, you're feisty. Look at those colors on this beautiful hybrid bluegill. I'm gonna see if I can catch more. Ooh. Look at that. Nice little pumpkin seed. Oh, nice. Man, this is the brightest colored pumpkin seed.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Thank you. Look at that. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Please like, subscribe, and tell your friends about my channel. I'll see you next video.